What's going on, guys? How we doing today? This is Bisharket here with you. Today we'll be talking about retail arbitrage a little bit. So it's something actually I like to do on the side with my fiance. It's like more of a just a hangout for us, really. I'd like to go to stores like Ross, Marshalls, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target, other stores like and just kind of look at a few different items and a few different sections. Really, the most section that we look at is toys. That's where we really find most of our products that we'd like to sell. Something about retail arbitrage, it's pretty much finding a product in one market and selling it another market for a profit. So you go to like clearance sections or really just middle of everywhere. Say hi.
Joy, service one, please. Joy, service
And that's pretty much it. So just a few things that we've learned actually, doing this for a while, is that first you need to make sure that the item that you are selling, it's actually first, it's not restricted, and you can sell it on Amazon, and that's all information you could obtain on your phone. As long as you have a Seller Central or a seller's account, you could actually scan the item, and from there it'll give you how many sellers are on that listing, if it's restricted or not. I like to look for things that are that have 10 sellers or less, that I can make at least $3 to $5 in profits after FBA fees, and that's also something that the app will tell you. You just download the Amazon Sellers app, and then from there it'll you just scan it, and it'll give you all the information needed. So these are just some of the items that we found. We've been to about 2 or 3 different places, different stores. We found something like this. We just got to make sure that it's actually not restricted. So as you can see, it's in the middle of everywhere. You just gotta dig and kind of see what's going on inside. But I'll be going over my phone to show you guys exactly how that works on the phone, and I'll just go kind of step by step on what we do. So let's say if we were to choose this item right here, how I go about scanning it and just kind of going from there. So I'll show you guys how this works. So this is the account that I've created in the early modules. So if you just look at right here, you actually can view everything from your phone. And do you see the camera little icon at the top right? Actually, if you click on it, you can scan an item. You just go to the barcode, and boom, it pops up everything. You see the sales rank, it's 19,000. You look at the the sellers, it's 4 new sellers from $24.98. And if you actually go ahead and click on the item itself, it'll actually take you a little bit further into more details about the product, and tells you exactly, you can see if the sellers are prime sellers, if there is anybody else selling the product aside from prime, and what their price is, if they're offering free delivery or if they're not, and what's their deal. So if you click on the product itself, you see how it says fulfillment by Amazon required, and it says $44.94 minus $6.74, and that's, once again, it's just a way for Amazon to actually tell you exactly the fees that are associated with this product, so you know that you're getting $38.20 gross proceeds, and then from there you minus out whatever you're paying for this product. This particular product I'm doing retail arbitrage on, and I'm buying it for $19.99 from a home goods store. And you see that there is 3 sellers, and if you look at it, all of them are non-prime sellers. That means the cheapest price is $39.95 plus $4.99 for the shipping. We're offering free shipping, so $44.94. I could be 15% above the $44.94 and still have the buy box 100% of the time. or I could just match that price. Once again, it cost me $6 and some change to have Amazon fulfill it for me. It'll cost me roughly 75 cents to ship it. So let's say that's $7.50. I'm buying it for $20. That'll be about like 27, 28 bucks. So I'm still making a pretty decent profit, so that's one thing that I need you guys to look for. So another thing that I want to show you guys is if you go down to the camera icon and scan this item that I'm going to show you guys, click on it. See how it says restricted product? This is just something that Amazon will not actually allow you to list. So that's another thing that you guys need to look at and look for and make sure that the product is not restricted. And it'll just say right on it that it is actually a restricted product. So just make sure that you guys watch out for this kind of things, okay? So once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys actually, making it to this point. This is going to be the last bit of this course. I really appreciate you guys actually, taking the time to invest in yourself and taking the time to learn something new. And I am very excited and pumped to actually making success with you guys. Once again, guys, be sure if you have any questions, please do email me or send me a message on any of these platforms here. Do follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. To subscribe to my YouTube channels. I upload weekly, if not daily videos on there. Also, my email address is bashar.cat2101@gmail.com. So be sure to send me any questions, concerns, anything you may have. And once again, guys, I am very pumped to creating success with you guys, and I hope to talk to you guys all soon. Okay, have yourselves a good day. Thanks.